everyone and welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today we're going to feel free and we're going to jump around like never before, and this time is going to be big, lots of big jumping. So make sure that you get along with your neighbors downstairs. Are you ready to get jumping? Very good, let's do it.
I love jumping, and there is something so beautiful like a temps levé. Temps levé, obviously, levé is off the ground in the air temps because it's a step in the air. We can actually take a temps levé in many different positions, but there is one specific one that really represents the ballerina. And for me, it's a temps levé to arabesque. How more balletic and ballerina can that become? Seriously, so let's work on the temps levé to arabesque. We've worked on arabesque before in our adagio, in our développés, in our grand mouvements. We went in front of the bar. Now it's time to put it into practice, okay? Think about stepping, because it's a temps levé. It's a step into the air. So we step into arabesque. Just do this with me. Just do this with me. Step and come back. You're just stepping forward, stepping back, lifting the back leg, and the back leg is straight. Very good, very nice. Up, and come back down. And you are indicating with the top leg where you're going. In case of doubt, in case you forget, you go, where am I going? I'm going that way, okay? Again, do it again. I'm going that way. And what does the back leg remind you of? Where you need to come back to. I'm going that way. Oh yeah, I need to come back here. I'm going that way, coming back here. Okay, makes sense? And all this, we need to do it with a jump. So let's try with the jump. Let's try in our preparatory position here. And we go jump down here. You've been jumping. Oh yes, and again. So where are you going? You're going over there and coming back. Very good, one more time. Temps levé arabesque. And down, because there is no temps levé if we don't jump. Shall we go the other side? So prepare, right leg in front, and we go step straight, and then we come back. Don't jump just yet, just get the hang of it. Jump, and here, and jump, and here. Get in higher, very good, and jump. And back. One more time, jump, and back, and jump. Look at where my foot is going. Where is it going? That way. It's not going underneath myself. You want to go out there. Out, and back, and out, and back. All right, so you've got the hang of what a temps levé means. And now we've done the temps levé to arabesque. First arabesque, to be precise, yeah? Same arm as the leg that you've got here, open to the audience. But shall we do the actual exercise? I think it's time.
Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress, and path is down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it.
I really want you to have a blast with this exercise. I don't want you to worry, but I want you to feel free. So the only thing that we're going to do now is to jump into that beautiful arabesque temps levé that we've just practiced. So from here, we're going to start into our preparatory position, and we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Forward and back. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. The foot comes forward. You go into bourrée, into a fourth position, come back to the front, coming to prepare the other side. So what's happening? We go towards the corner of our room, yeah? 1 and 2 and up and here. 1 and 2 and up and here. 1 and 2 and up and down. Yeah, bourrée, bourrée, bourrée. Front leg stays in front, back leg changes. One more time so you can see it from the front. 1 and 2, step back and here. Towards right leg, right arm. Up and down and change. Good. 1 and down and change. Down. Very good. Third into a fondu forward. Bourrée, 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 bourrée to come around. Prepare. Other side. Same thing. And back. Same thing. And back. Same thing. Our magic 3 times. Down. Bourrée, bourrée, bourrée. Prepare. Let's do it with music. Very good. And go. 1. And back. Through first. And back. Again. Down, down. Bourrée. And then go. I know. And up. Come on, you can get those legs going. And down. 1, prepare, go back. And through first. Good. Down. Prepare, go again. One more time. Down. Finito. Very nice.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling free? Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling happy? Good! I want to know in the comment down below because I care about your progress and I want to know how you feel in every part of the journey. I know we're getting towards the end and there is one very special step that I want to introduce to you, and it's probably the most important one of the whole class. And here it is.